Okay guys, so here we're gonna do a little demo on the Meguiar's headlight restoration kit. Okay, so this is a 2004 Mazda MX-5 Mazdaspeed, and as you can see, the lights are very hazy, and we're gonna try and rejuvenate that. Okay, so basically you have instructions. You got to go step by step, and the first step is to take the 1000 grit sandpaper and basically sand it. They say spray some water on it, so we're gonna do some water, put some water. This is not Febreze, it's just water. And they said go back and forth like this. Obviously you want to tape up the bumper and everything so that you don't scratch it. And then we're gonna do this. And you can already see the discoloration, so hopefully this is working. Say go back and forth. Let's lubricate a little bit more. And as I'm doing it, I'm kind of looking at the surface to see if everything's coming off. Okay, so that's one. It comes with a microfiber cloth. And there we go. So obviously it does not look very good right now. Let's just see. Okay. Okay, so here we have the 3000 grit sandpaper that it came with. And so what we're gonna do, we're gonna spray this, and we're gonna now go over it again. Just make sure the tape is always on. Well, obviously with the water, the tape starts to peel a little bit. Now they say to go in lines rather than doing circular motion. Okay. Now. Okay, it looks pretty clean. Okay, a little bit of the tape came off here. I'm gonna dry this and put another piece of tape. Okay, the next step is to actually pull out the drill, and they give you like a polish. So I'm gonna show you that step right now. So the kit comes with this buffing pad and these two liquid. One is the Plasti X, which is going to hopefully bring this down back to a shine. And this is a UV protectant that you apply after. So it says to put about the size of a nickel. Oh, hold on.
And they say to dab it.
Okay. Let's see. Wow, not bad. Wow. So this is the driver and the passenger. What a difference. Wow. Okay, so far so good. Now they say to apply the UV protectant, so I'll do that. Okay, so now we're gonna apply the protectant. It's basically a UV protectant. Now I've seen other videos where people actually spray UV clear coat, which to me sounds better because this way it'll last longer. I don't know how well this is gonna do, but let's give it a try. They say shake it really well. And we apply. So we rub it in really nice. And then they say take microfiber cloth and buff it out. And there we go. Remove the tape. Okay, one side done. This is with the lights on. Big difference. Okay, let's get on the second light.